Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to display or fetch custom metadata type records from Salesforce in Lightning Web Component without using Apex. We can make use of Salesforce Apex to fetch custom metadata type records using a SOQL, and then we can use it in our Lightning Web Component. We can use wire framework to invoke the Apex class method, or we can imperatively call the Apex class and its method. But if you have a requirement where you wanted to achieve the same functionality without using custom Apex, then you can make use of GraphQL in Salesforce Lightning Web Component. I created a sample custom metadata type. I created two custom fields. One is for label and the other one is for value. If you wanted to make use of the standard label instead of a custom field, then you can make use of master label API name. You need not create this label field. Since it is a demo, I have created two fields, label and value. I am going to fetch these custom metadata type records from this custom metadata type and display it as a drop down box in Lightning Web Component. So this is my Lightning Web Component where I can see test1, test2, test3. All these values are coming from this custom metadata types. Let's create a few more. I'm going to create one more. I'm refreshing the Lightning Web Component. So I'm able to see the custom metadata type records in my Lightning Web Component. In order to display this Lightning combo box with the custom metadata type records, I haven't used Apex in my Lightning Web Component. So this is the custom metadata type which we saw it in the Salesforce org, and this is the Lightning Web Component HTML. I am making use of options to display the values. Whenever they change it, it will call this handle change method. Whenever there is a value, whenever they select something, it will display the selected value. I'm making use of Lightning /UI GraphQL API, and from that I'm making use of these two methods. Using wire framework, I'm invoking the GraphQL. I'm going to query the sample metadata type, and I need two field values. One is label and the other one is value. You can also make use of the standard field for label. Whenever you use a standard field, make sure you are using the API name, not the label. So it should be master label. So once it get all the values using options variable, I am iterating all the records. For label, I am using the label value. For the value, I am making use of value __ c dot value. Whenever they change it, I am updating the value variable to the selected value. So without using Apex, with the help of GraphQL, I was able to fetch the custom metadata type records and display it in my Salesforce Lightning Web Component. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have given my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get this sample Lightning Web Component code for your reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.